some more persons.
I saw her fighting with her boyfriend.
You are not always going to be the center of attention.
I know that, but today is my birthday, so I think someone would pay a little attention, right?
Your birthday is tomorrow, so stop being so dramatic.
No, it's today, June 6th. See? Everyone forgets me. I hate this feeling. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we had this soap opera scene. It was like so like nervous. I was like so nervous, but at the same time I was like excited because I had gotten used to them already. Like I was more excited than like scared. I wasn't scared, I was nervous.
How did you like it?
It was great.
It was great?
Yeah, but let me say that I'm happy it's finally over. It's Friday right now, guys.
Frostbite.
I'm gonna do up buttons, okay?
Hey guys, we're getting ready for the award ceremony. 3, 2, 1. And I'm ready. I'm so excited. Bye.
Be giving out awards tonight to the children who received the most callbacks. So if you don't make it to this stage tonight, please realize that doesn't mean that you don't have callbacks.
That was so awesome.
So, what country are you from?
From
Where are you from?
from Washington, D.C.
They were in the same seats that you guys were in, the same position, evaluating with me on a Saturday, coming back on a Sunday, going through 6 months to a year of practice with Drew or Tawny or Allie or Allison, working very, very hard to make it to this week and have your moments.
Tomorrow for callbacks. Good night, everyone.